In this video, I'm going to share my experience of connecting the tension cable for the Exerpeutic foldable exercise bike in details. First, connect the sensor cable. I've already done that here. It is connecting 9B and 37 in the setup menu. And then attach the handlebar to the main frame. Now turn the tension control knob to level 8. Next, open the console cover. Let me hook the tension control cable into the cable lock. Cool, it is locked. We don't need this clip anymore. Now put the cable into the slot. My other hand is holding the camera, so I'm struggling a little bit here with a single hand. Anyway, I made it. Nice. Cool, the tension control knob can change the resistance for the bike now. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel.